Telecom network downtime and slow equipment diagnostics can take a serious toll on revenue and customer loyalty. 93% of businesses report that downtime costs them over $3 lakh per hour, with 23% seeing loss climb above $5 million per hour. So these disruptions not only strain finances but also push customers to switch to more reliable providers. And top of that, manual diagnostics and regulatory fines can add up if service level agreements aren't met, making costs skyrocket. So that's why the Akira AI agentic platform launched AI agents as droids and teammates for telecom equipment diagnostics. These agents provide real-time monitoring, automate fault detection, and optimize predictive maintenance, all while reducing downtime and improving service reliability. One of the biggest challenges is frequent downtime. Every minute a network is down, which impacts revenue, reduces operational efficiency, and drives customers to more reliable competitors, ultimately increasing churn rates. To tackle these issues, the agentic telecom equipment diagnostic system on the Akira AI agentic platform leverages a fleet of AI agents, reducing downtime by up to 50% and saving companies millions. First time fixed rate improves by 30%, cutting down on repeat service calls. Maintenance capabilities, it lowers maintenance cost by up to 25%, 20% more tasks within the same time frame, while customer satisfaction rises by 20% due to quicker, more accurate issue resolution. Additionally, the system ensures compliance with service level agreements, SLAs, minimizing the risk of fines, and integrates seamlessly with legacy system to maintain safety and enhance network reliability.